Risograph is a high-speed digital printing system manufactured by the Riso Kagaku Corporation and was designed mainly for high-volume photocopying and printing. It was released in Japan in August 1986. Increasingly, risograph machines have been commonly referred to as a RISO Printer-Duplicator, due to their common usage as a network printer as well as a standalone duplicator. When printing or copying multiple quantities of the same origin, it is typically far less expensive per page than a conventional photocopier, laser printer, or inkjet printer. Printing historian Rick O'Connor has debated that the original, and thus correct, name for the device is RISSO and not RISO. This debate spawns from the notion that an extra S is added because the inventor's wife found it more pleasing to the ears. Operation. The underlying technology is very similar to a mimeograph. It brings together several processes which were previously carried out manually, for example using the RISO Printer-Duplicator system or the Gestidner system. The original is scanned through the machine and a master is created, by means of tiny heat spots on a thermal plate burning voids in a master sheet. This master is then wrapped around a drum and ink is forced through the voids in the master. The paper runs flat through the machine while the drum rotates at high speed to create each image on the paper. This simple technology is highly reliable compared to a standard photocopier and can achieve both very high speed and very low costs. A good lifespan for a risograph might involve making 100,000 masters and 5 million copies. The key master-making thermal head component is manufactured by Toshiba. Similar machines to risographs are manufactured by Ricoh, Gestidner, Rex Rotary Nashwaite Duplo. Gestidner, Rex Rotary and Nashwaite are now owned by Ricoh. Because the process involves real ink, like offset printing, and does not require heat to fix the image on the paper, like a photocopier or laser printer, the output from a risograph can be treated like any printed material. This means that sheets which have been through a risograph may be put through a laser printer afterwards and vice versa. For schools, clubs, colleges, political campaigns and other short-run print jobs, the risograph bridges the gap between a standard photocopier and using a commercial printer. Risographs have typically had interchangeable color inks and drums allowing for printing in different colors or using spot color in one print job. The RISO MZ series models have 2 ink drums, thereby allowing 2 colors to be printed in one pass. References. External links: RISO Worldwide Official Site, US RISO Site.